Paying off credit cards isn't just about the math. It's not about figuring out, okay, where's the highest interest rate? Where's the highest debt? What can I get paid off the fastest? It's about your mindset. And like so many things in life, it completely depends on how you approach it and how you handle the entire picture. Because if you don't get your spending under control, if you don't evaluate what your wants really are and what your needs really are, then you're going to wind up continue to spend well beyond your means, which means you're going to continue to be in debt. And one thing that you can do to rein all that in is to audit yourself on a weekly basis. Take a look at what you're spending and evaluate it. That means that you're going to sit down and you're going to look at what did you spend, even if you just have to keep all the receipts. Take a look at what you spent. Did you need to buy everything that you bought at the grocery store? My biggest fault is buying fruit that I'm probably never going to eat. And that's one of the things that I changed when I go to the grocery store is I only buy fruit that I'm going to eat within the next 2 days because I really like fruit. And it's hard for me to say no to a plum.